Jeff Skinner in the skates, and now the stick of Ryan Murphy. His shot well over the top of Brian Elliott. Victor Rask with a bid. They score! It redirects on the way through, and I believe it glanced off Chris Butler. Stays with it. The fourth line comes out. Steve Ott. Carl Gunnarsson at the point. On the flank. Ott one more time. Ott holding onto it. High slot now. Kevin Shattenkirk. It's tipped off the pad of Cam Ward. Away go the Blues. David Backes over the line. Pietrangelo give and go. Backes tough angle. They look for the rebound. They score! A set play. Alexander Steen has tied it. Attempting to get it out for the Blues. Out of that scrum, it's loose as we see. And the battle won by Skinner. His shot. He scores! What a shot! Jeff Skinner with a bullet glove high on Brian Elliott. And the Canes recapture the lead. For Lindholm, a stutter step. He's crunched on the way out. He stays with it. Good work by Elias Lindholm. Lindholm spins off a hit, thrown it in by Pietrangelo. Stahl, Jordan, shut down by Elliott. Eric Stahl to Jordan, and Jordan Stahl's shot in the middle, holding onto it. A drop pass. Eric Stahl's camped out, and here he comes. Stahl breaks it alone on Elliott, and scores! What a goal by the captain! Angelo walks the line. He'll delay. Top of the ring, it's Tarasenko. Vladimir Tarasenko whips it down low for Schwartz. He gets it back. Tarasenko and Schwartz, they play catch. Vladdy Tarasenko with a shot picked off by Ward. On two, Brad Malone moves it by Alex Steen. Carolina has killed off power play chance number 1 for St. Louis. With 1:53 left to go in the opening period. And the Canes with a 1-goal lead. Steen with a shot. Kicked out with a purpose. Full flight. Shattenkirk, what a move. Here he comes out in front. Cleaned up in the back check by Eric Stahl. Eric now turned it over. Schwartz is in. He scores! Bad turnover. Jaden Schwartz gets the goal. Guess moves it. Berglund now to the outside. Patrick Berglund. Pietrangelo down the wall. Here's Backes. Now Berglund. They score! Through a screen out in front. Patrick Berglund.
World Cup champion, but he's not who he once was. They can't win with these three guys. At least that's what I believe.
Tarasenko with a shot. Good save by Cam Ward. And Chris Butler's in control. Eric Jackman takes out a man. Murphy with a steal out in front. Left there by McClement. Chopped by Malone. Dwyer. Shut down. Jake Allen. Nash now. Gerby off a stick off Jackman. Out in front. Hammered. Caught. Maybe not. Allen reached back. The red light is on. At the time he came across with Carlo Poliakovo out of the corner. Tight turn by Schwartz. 4-on-4 sequence. He gets room. Here he comes. Across. What a save. Cam Ward. Oh, his best tonight on Paul Stastny. 18:27 left in regulation time.
Good work ethic there from Semin there on Jackman. And good gap up here from Gleason.
Stretch pass. Tarasenko. Here he comes. Ward says no. They score. On the rebound. Vladimir Tarasenko. His shot nullified by Shattenkirk. He gets it back. Rask again. Now Belmore off the glass. In back of the goal. Gunnarsson had it. Lost it. Skinner. What a stop. Twice. Jake Allen. Once on Skinner. The Blues. Schwartz steams out to center. Maintains control. To the outside it goes Latera. Tarasenko delays. Ward says no. Twice. It's loose. Still fought for. Now Bouwmeester inside his own line. Pietrangelo. Right back for number 19. Bouwmeester over the line now. Cutting. Tarasenko. Second chance. Ward aggressively came out. As Hainsey. Great play by Berglund. Coming back on Hainsey. Now it deflects. A chip by Lindholm at the horn. And we go to overtime. Pietrangelo pickpocketed by Nash. Not now. Berglund. Latera knocked out in midair. Bouwmeester. They score! Jay Bouwmeester in overtime.
Collision in front of the net. They called incidental contact, not a penalty, but goalie interference.
No goal on the play, goaltender interference, no goal.
It was made by Berglund. It was right at the top of the crease. Watch Berglund come in here and watch Cam Ward's glove side shoulder. It's just within the crease. It impacts his ability to do the job. It's the right call. Overhead view. He's in the crease. He's set to make a save. That impedes his ability to do it. That is the absolute right call.
Jay Oshie is shooter number 1 on Cam Ward. Deliberately, he walks in and scores. is his line in his career. Semin on Allen. No sale. It's over. St. Louis wins the shootout.